I know I previously asked you what advice or request for improvement you would like schools, hub, or TS3 to make for their platform. Now, in terms of approaches or how things are taught, what areas would you advise us to make adjustments or improvements?
Uh, I mean, I don't know what I don't know, but maybe more hands-on coding, or more. I mean, I guess that does get covered in the show and tell. It gets covered in the workshops. Uh, Maybe more examples of different scenarios of code where this is like explain this is why you would need it in a job because you might have to work on a component or something like that. Maybe real world examples on top of the code that you need to learn. But but then again, it's a lot to take in all at once. So uh yeah, I mean that's just an idea. Maybe more examples of codes that you could practice.
Thank you. That really helps us, and we're definitely going to take that into consideration.